Understanding VMware Cloud Infrastructure. VMware Cloud Infrastructure is designed to help businesses build, manage, and optimize their IT environments across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud platforms. It provides a unified architecture that ensures consistency, security, and scalability. VMware Cloud Infrastructure consists of key components that work together to enable seamless cloud operations. VMware vSphere is the foundation of VMware Cloud, providing a powerful virtualization platform that allows businesses to run multiple applications on a single physical server. It enhances resource efficiency, improves workload management, and ensures high availability. VMware NSX is the networking and security solution that enables software-defined networking across cloud environments. It provides advanced security features such as microsegmentation and zero-trust architecture, helping organizations protect their applications and data. VMware vSAN is the storage component that enables software-defined storage, eliminating the need for traditional storage systems. It integrates with vSphere to provide high-performance storage that scales with business needs. VMware Cloud Foundation combines vSphere, NSX, and vSAN into a fully integrated platform, automating cloud management and simplifying deployment across multiple cloud environments. It helps businesses accelerate their cloud strategy while maintaining security and compliance. By leveraging VMware Cloud Infrastructure, organizations gain flexibility, scalability, and operational efficiency, ensuring that their workloads run optimally in any environment. In the next lesson, we will explore best practices for deploying and managing VMware Cloud Infrastructure. Let's get started.